Hello, sir. May I come in?
Oh, hi, gentlemen. Please come in.
Sir, did you call me?
Yeah. So, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. And how do you find our company?
It's nice, sir.
Okay, there is a mail from HR. This is regarding you to submit some documents to opening a new salary account.
Oh, I have brought the documents.
Good. Okay, please meet our HR manager. She will coordinate with you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am Delman D'Souza. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, Sachin sir was saying that I have to submit few documents to open salary account with bank.
Yes, right. Have you brought them?
Yes, ma'am. Here it is.
Yeah. Dilman, these are all the original copies. Do you have photocopy?
No, ma'am. I'll get them.
Okay. Dilman, make sure you will submit it within a 30 minutes, as the bank representative would leave soon, and also get a Xerox copy of PAN card.
Sure, ma'am. I'll get them soon.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me. I want to take Xerox copies of these documents. Can you please help me?
Okay, do one thing, reach out to Akanksha there, she'll be able to assist you.
Okay, thank you. Hello, are you Akanksha?
Yes.
Hi, I am Delman.
Hi. Tell me.
Actually, I want to take Xerox copies of these documents. Can you please help me?
Sure, but are you a new joiner?
Yes,
Okay, and you need it for any documentation purpose?
yes.
Okay. Well, Delvin, in that case, I'm really sorry I won't be able to help you, but I guess our office boy Raju, he'll be able to help you in this case.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah,
Thanks.
you can certainly reach out to him.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Ma'am, here are Xerox copies.
Why you are so late? The bank representative has already left. I had asked you to get this within 30 minutes. The account opening formalities would be delayed, and now you would be issued salary check, that too by 7th of next month.
Sorry, ma'am. Well, actually, I tried to take help from my colleagues, but no one knew how to use Xerox machine. And Raju seemed to be busy. So because of him, I got delayed. And this took time.
Okay, please keep this and please leave.
Hello?
Hello sir, this is Kedar here.
Yes, tell me.
Well, actually sir, I'm sorry to say, but I won't be able to come to the office for next 2 weeks.
Oh, why? Is everything alright?
Sir, my father actually is not keeping well, and doctor has advised to hospitalize him, and after doing all the medical tests, doctor has advised to undergo an operation immediately.
Oh, is anything serious?
Actually sir, the treatment is still going on, and I will keep you posted sir.
Okay, take care of father, and in case of any help, kindly let me know.
Thank you sir.
Kedar, are we on track with the delivery of the project?
Yes sir, the project is absolutely on track, and I think we should be able to deliver it on time. You can get the updates from the team members.
Okay, well, that's good.
Thank you sir.
I hope you guys are aware why we gathered for.
Yes, sir.
Kedar called me this morning and informed me that he won't be coming for next 2 weeks because his father has been hospitalized. Can someone give me what is the status of our project on the delivery? Salil, please take the lead and let me know on the model which you have planned.
Sir, it's a pleasure to take a lead, but I am not aware about the whole project.
But all the details must be available in the shared folder, right?
No, sir. The details are not there in the shared folder. The updates are there with the person only who is handling the project.
Sachin and Akanksha, can you please let me know which model you both are guys working on?
So I'm looking after finance and purchase model.
So I'm looking after a WAP and basic model.
Salil, collate the data and let me know the status of the project. Henceforth, I don't want to see the delay in the project or people not being aware of the status. I'm in no position to answer to the clients. How can we stick to our plan in case of Kedar absence?
Okay, sir. We'll contact Kedar and let you know regarding the update of the project.
but why the knowledge of the model was not shared? Delman, in case of Delman, being a new joinee, what is his role? What is his position?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, shall we start the discussion, or we have to wait for someone?
Sir, we are waiting for Sachin to come.
Okay, we'll wait for a minute.
May I come in?
Yeah, come in. Well, let me start with some positive things. We are in the process of getting some new projects. There are many projects in the pipeline. We are having discussions with customers. So there are a couple of projects which is in the final stage, and I am pretty sure we'll get them. Salil, please note down the minutes.
Okay, sir.
Now I have few concerns. For the past few days, I am getting escalations from various departments related to delay in completing tasks. One occasion, I got a complaint from the customer saying that we did not deliver the product on time. When we are doing the estimation and planning, why we are not able to deliver on time? Is there anything to do with the estimation? If this continues, getting new project is far away, we may also lose the existing projects.
Right.
Are you all aware of these issues? Has anyone done any analysis? This is a serious concern to me.
Yes, sir. It recently happened in one of our case. It was not because of incorrect planning, but it was due to unplanned leave taken by the critical resource. And all of the team members did not have the knowledge about the task done by that resource.
So Sachin, being a part of the same team, what do you think is the problem?
Sir, as he was team leader, the module integration part was done by him only, and we were not part of that.
Oh, this indicates that our company depends on few critical resources. Hence, this situation can be repeated.
Sir, we are facing this issue because of lack of knowledge management.
How can we overcome this problem?
Sir, this can be easily handled if we have a knowledge management system in place.
Knowledge management system? How will that help?
Sir, knowledge management system is a place where we can record all the information and knowledge that are used by the different departments, project, process and technology that we are working on for our future reference. In that case, our dependency on any one critical resource would be reduced. And we can record our daily problems that we face, and solutions can be extracted from the knowledge management system.
So in that case, there will be no creativity. We will always use the solution suggested by someone in the past.
Look, creativity is something personal. The knowledge management system will only help us to reduce the turnaround time to solve problems. And if someone is intelligent, he would have better solutions for every single problem. And when we have such better solutions, we can update the KMS and apply it somewhere else as well.
Is there any cost involved?
Yes, definitely. Cost and time will be involved.
I am not worried about the cost, but it should be worth it. Yogesh, can you give me more detail about the knowledge management system?
Sir, I have a small presentation on knowledge management system. Would you like to have a look at it?
Why not? Of course. Okay, we'll have a 10 minutes break now.
बस है रोज का, कुछ होने वाला तो कुछ नहीं है इसमें से। यहाँ पे इतना काम बढ़ा हुआ है और मीटिंग में मीटिंग बोला के टाइम पास करते रहता है। तो मुझे लगता है कुछ होने वाला है इसमें। इसके पहले भी 2-3 बार ये कर चुके हैं सब। नॉलेज मैनेजमेंट नहीं, कुछ नहीं, कोई आता है वो छुट्टी पे चला जाता है, कुछ बताता नहीं अपने को कुछ नहीं, और बाद में नॉलेज मैनेजमेंट करके क्या होने वाला है यहाँ पे।
हाँ भाई, कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, बहुत सारा काम पड़ा हुआ है, ये सब टाइम पास हो रहा है।
ठीक है, देखते हैं कुछ कर सके तो, ये बार कुछ हुआ तो इनिशिएटिव लेके वगैरह।
Before we begin with knowledge management, what is knowledge? Knowledge is power, so don't forget to recharge. Before that, what is information? Information is knowing what has happened or resulted in. So, progressed information is known as knowledge. Knowledge is all about acquiring information and utilizing it in a similarly placed situation so that action gives value addition over earlier action. Knowledge management is getting the right information to the right people at the right time and helping people create knowledge and share and act upon information in ways that will measurably improve the performance of individuals and organizations. This is basically a scenario wherein all the information gained by the organization is clustered at a central location wherein people can access and avail benefits from it. Need for knowledge management. Knowledge retention. In the current scenario, with high level of attrition and people moving about in the organization, the knowledge gained by the individual is not retained. So by having knowledge management system, we will be able to retain all the knowledge gained by different individuals working on different projects across the organization. Better use of knowledge in order to reduce turnaround time. We time and again come across problems faced by different individuals in our organization, and mostly these problems are repetitive in nature. By having the knowledge management system, we will be able to reduce time in solving those problems. We would not be reinventing the wheel again. All we need to do is query the knowledge management system with our problem, and the best solution to solve those problems would be readily available to us, and our turnaround time to solve the problem would be reduced. To develop and use standard practices across different geographies and customers. Problem can arise from different geographies and customers. Similarly, problems are faced by different individuals working in different geographies and with different customers as well. By having a knowledge management system, we will be able to solve such similar problems coming from vivid customers and locations rather quickly. Business gets a competitive advantage. By solving issues rapidly or quickly, we can make our customers happy. Happy customers will give us an advantage and get us more business. When we are able to solve customer problems quickly, they would always be coming back to us since they will be aware that their problem would be solved quickly and in a better way by us. Steps for implementing knowledge management. Identify business problem. In our day-to-day life, we come across various problems, and finding solutions for these problems take a lot of time. By having a knowledge management system, all such problems will be stored in a single repository. We will have to identify each business problem individually and store them in such repository. Knowledge management team. By having a team, we will have dedicated resources working on such a system. The maintenance and updation of knowledge management system will be responsibility of this team. Brainstorming. For each business problem identified, the knowledge management team and subject matter experts will be brainstorming on it to find the most appropriate solution to solve it. Knowledge sharing. With involvement of subject matter experts, sharing of knowledge would be done. By having a knowledge management system, we will be able to share knowledge or information on problem solving to people who need the solutions. Alternative solution. Every business problem has multiple alternative solutions. With brainstorming sessions, all such solutions would be recorded and reviewed. Choose the best solution. The best alternative solution coming out of the brainstorming session can be chosen. Review the solution. Every solution that is coming up in the brainstorming session will be reviewed, and only the best solution will be accepted and updated in the knowledge management system. Update knowledge management tool. The knowledge management team will be responsible to update the knowledge management tool on regular basis with the problem and the best solution to solve them. Considerations while implementing KM systems. Governance. With different business problems and alternate solutions coming up, all this cannot be updated in the knowledge management system. We need to have some governance structure over it. Validation of knowledge by experts before being used by end users. With brainstorming sessions, validation of each business problem and each solution would be done. This will give us the confidence that most appropriate problem and solutions are being used by the end users. Having the most updated information available for use to the end users. The knowledge management team will be responsible to update the KM system periodically so that the most updated information is available for use to the end users. Avoid redundant information. The knowledge management team again will be responsible to avoid redundant entries into the knowledge management system for similar solutions or problems. Businesses have to invest in knowledge management in terms of resources, cost and time in order to reap the benefits of knowledge management. If you are not able to reap benefits from the knowledge management system, then the whole exercise will be wasted. Hence, to reap benefits, we will have to make considerable investments in terms of resources, cost and time. Real life scenarios for implementation of knowledge management. Some examples are helpline numbers, discussion forums, product user guides and catalogs. Helpline numbers. Generally, when we call in the helpline numbers with our problem, the representative answering our call is using a knowledge management system. Now, all that he needs to do is key in our problem in the system and he will be provided with the best solution to solve the problem. Discussion forums. These are readily available forums on the internet wherein we post our queries and people provide solutions over it. Product user guides and catalogs. When we buy a product, we also receive a user guide and catalogs which help us operate the product. These are again outcomes of knowledge management. Frequently asked questions or FAQs is also an example of knowledge management.
Very good, Yogesh. I appreciate your effort and initiative.
Thank you, sir.
Now I am with you and I feel that the knowledge management system can improve and make us efficient. Does everyone agree with him?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So let us go ahead with the creating a knowledge management system. Can someone get the cost involved and the details to me?
Okay.
I got a call from the client saying that nowadays we are delivering the products on time and the quality of the product is also great. So it's a good achievement. I think it's happening because of the knowledge management system.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for all the efforts put by the team. So convey this message to the team and maybe after the next delivery we can have a project lunch.
Definitely, sir.
This you have to submit few documents.
अच्छा गेट लॉस नहीं कर रहा है
How can we stick to our delivery in case of Kedar is not present?
कट कर देख लिया तूने अभी क्या मेरे को क्यों देख रहा है
पढ़ रहा है ना मैं वही देख रहा हूँ ये थोड़ा बराबर है
वो सीन अपन अलग से करते
हाँ ये सीन
ये जो एक काम करना ये जो डायलॉग अभी जो जिधर देता ना वो रिपीट करना उधर से करना
उधर से रिपीट करो
जहाँ से
एंगर का पार्ट है
And we can use this.
Get me the detail of okay कट कर दे बाद में निकाल दे